These are so good. These gummies are so good. I wish Mario was here. Mario! Mario! What? Mario? I think Mario's gone. Let me go ask others. Have any of you guys saw Mario? Nope. I have. Hobby? How do you know? Well, you see, I did the research, and I pretty much saw the whole thing. What happened? You might be disappointed, and you might be scared. What happened? Mario got beaten by Bowser, and just one more thing. What? He turned into Dry Bone Mario. And he's here now. I'm packing up. Bye, guys. Guys, I can't take this anymore. I can't take this anymore. Okay, I already have my suitcase packed up. Sonic, I'll keep that. Yeah, of course I'll keep that. There's one more game that I've been looking for. I don't see it. Bye, guys. I always thought something like this was gonna happen. And Luigi might not want to. Yeah, my games. All you guys can come with me. So I'll put Sonic Classic Collection. Sonic's Classic Collection. Let's see what's this. Okay. Yes, Luigi's Ghost Mansion. I can't do this. Finally, I got it open. Okay. This isn't scary for mine. I'll take forever again. Okay, guys, we're going to go. Yay! Okay, so you coming with me? You coming with me? Oh, I knew it. Okay, John Cena, baby John Cena, come with me. Yay, Daddy! Whee! That's right, John Cena. Hobby, come on, let's go. Bailey, Chica, Muffin, and finally, Snoopy. And here's my pencil. Okay, I'll get you John Cena. So, okay, I'm going to program him to fight robot, Dry Bone Mario. Boop. Okay, there. Now when he sees him, he'll just attack him. Okay, guys. You can come with me later. Always come when you have time. Hey, you gummies. Oh yeah, I forgot. Gummies. Bye-bye. Come on, guys. Okay. So, gotta pick a good spot. Okay, it's pretty far away. Okay, guys, you can come at the clubhouse. Whee! Yeah. Whee! Here, John Cena. Whee! Ah, guys, your paws. I need my game. Skylanders. And my giant sharpener. Okay. You ready? Yep. Right. There's something missing. I need to grab you. Sorry, I forgot you. What do you guys want to do first? I know. Hand out Valentines. I know today's Valentine's Day, but sorry, Snoopy. Maybe next year. Aww. I'm sorry, maybe next year though. Okay. Snoopy, what? Hey, if you be a good little boy, then maybe next year you will. A good little boy. Okay. My gummies. Okay. Well, John Cena, I don't have to get your portal. Yes, you do for Skylanders. Okay. I'll go get it. It took me forever to get this for. Why do I even have this, John Cena? Because I called it. Yeah, but it doesn't mean I have to get it. Okay. Here's your. Might as well get his Skylanders. Here is your precious pop fizz that we used with Hot Wheel. Thank you. Okay. I'm just gonna take forever to find a home. I'm tired. Might as well eat my gummies to help me stay awake. Is this a good one? That was good. Better go wash my hands. My hands are so gummy. I want. No, that's the top. Over here. And maybe a little wet, but it's okay. Back, guys. Where have you been? It's been for so long. It's almost midnight. Wait, it is? Oh, guess it's in the video since Valentine's Day was over. But before I go, all I want to say is Happy Valentine's Day. Okay? And anyway, hope you like and subscribe, and bye. No! This video is not over yet. Okay, so first, when this video is ended, I want you to first call someone. Second, tell them that you're going to give them a Valentine's note or card. Third, then you're going to want to go to the store and buy whatever kind of card you want for your friend. Next step, all you gotta do is give it to them. Bye.